college student in Orillia, Ontario, which is where I've been doing my videos for the last while because I'm at school, not home. And that's why you haven't seen the bike. I would have been showing some bike mods or something if I was at home. There would have been some sort of motorcycle modifications or show and tell, or how to safely store a motorcycle. I'm just seeing Brittany's following me. She's supposed to be. I'm waiting for her to come out. She probably stopped. Oh no. She is. Just gotta wait for her. I'm not leaving without her. It's not nice. Little motherfuckers coming up behind me. Anyway, driving home from school. It's actually kind of nice out now. It's nice and sunny. It's still -8, but it doesn't feel like it because there's sun now, which there wasn't. Brett can't see me. Yeah, but me and my girlfriend go to the same college. It actually wasn't even planned out that way. Like getting close to when college started, yeah, it was planned out that way. But she'd always wanted to go into the same program as I ended up going into. But we both had our sights set on this college in Orillia quite a while before we actually met. So it just so happened that everything worked out. It's absolutely nuts though how many people in relationships go to college together without actually wanting to. If you know what I mean by that. Like one person gets accepted to or wants to go to a university and then the other one has no idea what they want to do, so they're just like, okay, I'm just going to kind of follow you there. But it's amazing how many people do that, and that's a terrible idea. Not so much because of the relationship part, but just going to a school that you wouldn't normally want to go to, just simply because someone else went. Like when college is your gateway to a career, it's kind of important to go for the right reasons. And not only just to go to college for the right reasons or university for the right reasons, but take a specific program for the right reasons. For a specific degree, you can't just go to go. Or go so that you can keep going out with somebody. Like, as noble as that is, it's just not the right way to do things, if you know what I mean. Ford truck in front of me actually smells like tubes. That's gross. Yeah, so before I get comments about or some comments and negativity about going to the same school as my girlfriend, it's for the right reasons. That's what we both wanted to do, so we went through with it. Again, I'm not very talkative right now because this isn't a planned thing. I'm making it a habit to film myself driving now because I've been seriously lacking in putting out videos. I know they're not good videos to start, but you can't make a good video if you don't make any videos, right? Kind of like the whole you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Same deal. Who knows? One of my videos might end up being good, or I might see something while driving and have a chance to talk about it. Again, you can't do that if you're not recording, right? and yesterday are pretty happy days in the sense that we're not really too happy about our student living situation right now. Like, the area is okay, the building's nice, but the superintendent or supervisor, whatever you want to call him, is a tool. And it's not like, oh well, just don't do anything wrong. He goes out of his way to be an ass. So it's just, there's no goddamn way that we're staying here again next year. The owner, like the owner landlord, awesome. The guy who actually owns the building is a very nice gentleman, very easy to get along with. But his hired hand is absolutely ridiculous. And he is the one reason why living here is hell. So we found a couple of nice options. So we're nice and set for next year. Both have some land so that there's actually room to do stuff. One of them has a garage, so guess what that means? Lots and lots of motovlogs in the summer. Because A, I have a spot to park, so the bike will be with me, as long also the truck, so regardless there's gonna be room. So expect to see a bunch more vlogs this year than last year.